Hey there, Jake here. Today we're drawing Knuckles from Sonic using this official reference image, and I'm going to show you the one secret about breaking down complex characters that professional artists use every single day. We'll start with basic shapes, then outline, and finally color him. But there's a special technique I'll reveal during the coloring phase that's going to make your Knuckles look absolutely incredible. Let me show you what I mean. See how Knuckles is in this dynamic action stance? His body forms specific shapes that we can break down. Can you spot the main shapes? I see at least 4 basic shapes that make up his entire body. This is how professional animators at Sega actually design these characters. Starting with basic shapes, this is the secret I promised. Every complex character is just basic shapes connected together. Looking at our reference, head shape. His head is an oval, slightly elongated, not perfectly round like Sonic's. Draw it about 1.2 times taller than it is wide. Body shape. His torso is like a rounded rectangle, leaning slightly forward in that fighting stance. Think of it as a vertical oval that's been squished a bit. Spike shapes. His famous dreadlocks aren't random spikes, they're curved, triangular shapes. Each one is like a long, curved teardrop. Start with 6 basic teardrop shapes flowing backward from his head. Shoe shapes. His shoes are like rounded rectangles with a slight curve. Think of them as thick, chunky sneakers. Each shoe is basically an oval with a flat bottom. Once you see this, you can draw any character. This is what separates beginners from pros. Now we connect these shapes smoothly. See how I'm not just drawing separate circles and rectangles? I'm flowing them together like they're one continuous form. Watch how his head flows into his body, how his dreadlocks curve naturally from his head shape. This is what makes the difference between a beginner drawing and a professional looking one. Now for outlining, and here's where most people make a huge mistake. They outline everything with the same line weight. But look at our reference again. Some lines are thicker, some are thinner. The outer edges are bold, the inner details are lighter. This creates depth and makes your drawing pop off the page. Pause here if you need extra time for the outlining. This step is super important. Take your time and don't worry if your lines aren't perfect. That's what makes each drawing unique. How's everyone doing so far? Starting with his signature red, but watch this. I'm leaving areas lighter where the light would naturally hit, and making areas darker where shadows would fall. See how this immediately makes Knuckles look three-dimensional instead of flat? This is that incredible technique I promised. Before you go, smash that subscribe button because our next drawing tutorial features Sonic's most dangerous enemy. This villain has been causing trouble since the very first Sonic game, and I can't wait to show you how to draw him using simple shapes. Don't miss it.